What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about XRP in this video because I feel as though there's numbers that people have, right? I've talked about this before, that you only needed a certain amount in order to become a millionaire, but um, for some people to become extremely wealthy or change your life forever, you may need a little bit less. Now, my number, I believe, was like 17,000-ish, but that number has since come down for some other people, that you only need about 15,000 or so in order to change your life forever. And I think we need to go through this prediction and this article to see what they're talking about, and if I truly believe that, and if it kind of gels well to what I've said in the past. So before we get into this, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or even follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Also, if you guys want to get involved with XRP without spending a ton of money, you can, kind of adopt leverage trading. Now, leverage trading does have some sort of a risk, quite a bit of a risk, to where if you're investing into it outright, you would own 100% of that XRP, right? And you would be able to profit on that XRP there. So if you buy $100, you'd be able to profit off of that. And let's say it doubles, you would then have $200. However, if you did leverage trading and you had a 5x leverage, you would be trading, you would only be putting up $100, but you would be getting the profits off of $500, meaning that you're not putting up as much money in order to make a lot more money with XRP. For instance, I can show you guys what I do have here. I've invested in many different plays, and you're going to see here for the first one, Pepe. I invested $200 at a 5x leverage, meaning that I'm investing with $1,000 total. I already have 315% profit, or $631 in profit there. So you can see how it could compound, but you're not going to lose more than what you put in. So if you know what you're doing chart reading wise, this could be a huge benefit to your strategy. It just does provide a lot higher of risk than if you owned it outright, right? So feel free to check that out. If you guys have any questions, come over to Patreon, ask me those questions. I do have some videos over there explaining some leverage trading as well. But once you get comfortable with it, I'm telling you, it feels good. So anyways, thank you guys. Check out the link down below in the description. XRP currently stands at a level of 54 cents, almost 55 cents. It's down about 0.9% on the day. Volume is also down by 19%. We're seeing that the market cap is still above the $31 billion market cap, but we all know, as XRP holders, believers, and investors and community members and all of that, right? We understand that XRP is undervalued. XRP should be worth a lot more, comparable to definitely with BNB and Solana at this moment, but surpassing that as time goes on, as more things get developed, whether you have different partnerships, whether you have different use cases for XRP, and different people that are using it. We are seeing the circulating supply that has increased a little bit. It's at 56.71 billion XRP in circulating supply, which could be a good and bad thing depending on who you are. In the last 7 days, it's up by 1.36%. In the last month, it's down by 4%. And in the last year, it's still up by 11, almost 11.5%. Still fluctuating. You still see the movements, the peaks and valleys, which honestly, if you were leverage trading or even, just short-term trading, you can gain quite a bit with this movement if you just believe that, oh, it's only going to go to 70 and it's going to come back down to 40. It's only going to go to 60 or 70 and it's going to come back down to 40, right? So you can make that money short term if you wanted to. But let's get into this explanation, right? Because we're already 4 minutes into the video. Financial analyst explains how owning 15,365 XRP could change your financial future forever. So how owning 15,365 XRP could lead to substantial wealth. With 15,365 XRP, investors could sell 5,000 tokens during the ongoing bull run at a projected $10 per XRP, and it would yield around $50,000. However, whoever this is sees even greater potential. he projects that XRP could reach $25 this bull run, elevating the 15,365 XRP profile to a value of 384,000, applying the 30-70 rule. If an investor sells 5,000 tokens, they could walk away with a profit of $125,000. For context, it costs $8,258 to acquire 15,365 XRP today. Given the floor price of 53,000 or 53 cents, the 5,000 tokens expected to be sold during the peak for a $125,000 would have been worth just $2,687.50. This translates to a massive return of on investment of 4,551%. Notably, those who hold a bit more, such as 40,000 tokens, could become millionaires if the asset attains $25, making a life-changing return for many. During the analysis, they acknowledge that they personally hold more than 15,000 XRP. He revealed that when the market hits all-time highs next year, he plans to sell around 70% of his XRP holdings, capitalizing on the accrued gains. This strategy will set me and my family up for life if we hit numbers I'm expecting, millions in profit, he said. Now, let's go into this. He said previously, revealed that investor could turn $1,000 investment in XRP to $1 million through leverage trading. For example, a 5x leverage could transform a 2,000% gain to a 1,000% gain, making the investment worth $1 million. However, he had advised caution with higher leverage due to liquidation risks, recommending 2 to 5x is a safer option. And that's very true, right? I agree with that. 2 to 5x, if you can do 2x, that's always giving you that a little bit of an option where if you invest $1,000, if the position loses 50%, then you lose everything, which is a huge difference between if you did a 50x leverage and it lost 2% and you lost everything, which you've seen many cryptocurrencies lose a lot more than 2% in a given day. So you would have to find the absolute low for that to happen, which is very, very difficult to have. When you see these larger pullbacks, it's still difficult to know whether that is truly the low because of the liquidation trains that do happen. So definitely be careful while doing higher leverage. I would recommend a lot lower of a leverage. I haven't yet turned around to putting $1,000 on XRP, right? I've done it with Ethereum. I've done it with AVAX, and AVAX didn't really turn out that well. That definitely had a little bit of a downturn, but you have to kind of baby step your way into that. Now, when it comes to the 15,365 XRP, yeah, that's great to have that. You sell 5,000, you have a certain amount, that the 30-70 rule. And I typically look at that, right? I keep 10,000 forever, or for a long time. 90,000 of my XRP, I'm looking to work through the bull run, and I may end up holding on to a little bit more. It just all depends of how this all works out and whether this does become the major bull run, and we don't see any bull run bigger than this in the future, right? We see that kind of starts to get spaced out and it starts to get more predictable and all of those things there. I've said in the past that I believe you can become a millionaire from 1,000 XRP. There's an opportunity to do so, whether you're talking about leverage trading or even not leverage trading, not only to $25, but to $50 and $100, and maybe even to levels of $1,000 or $10,000 per XRP, depending on the things that do happen. So when I look at it, yeah, this opportunity is definitely feasible. It's not crazy to say that you can gain life-changing amounts of money to do so. Now, for me personally, XRP is not going to be the only thing that sets my family up for life, right? I have many other investments that I'm invested into that I believe can give me a 10x, can give me a 20x, can give me a 100x in where I invested in at. So XRP will be a larger portion of it and will be the major player because I hold so much of it. It's a large portion of my portfolio, but there's still so much opportunity elsewhere as well. So don't think that you're going to throw all of your eggs into one basket. throw it somewhere else that you believe in different things, because everybody's different. Just because you see what I see doesn't mean you don't see the things that you see as well. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about this. Do you believe that this is the case where you can profit 125,000, still have some left on the table and gain so much more in the end? Or do you think that you should just wait until you get to a level of $100 and just sell all of your XRP at that moment? I want to know what your opinion is and what you're going to do. But if you can hit that like button, if you can hit the subscribe button, and if you can hit the notification bell for more of these videos, I'm trying to get to 230,000. We've been kind of stagnant for a while. At like the 226, we just hit 227,000 subscribers. So feel free to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.